Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, August 27th. We're looking at forexfactory.com for news. Why are you watching this? Because we're going to go over the news that affect your trading. We're going to go over chart patterns, situational things with the S&P 500, all before you trade. So, what do the scheduled news say today? Well, we have unemployment claims coming out in 4 minutes and 14 seconds. We have goods trade balance. We have preliminary wholesale inventories. We also have at 10:30 natural gas storage, and of course, all day long we have Jackson Hole Symposium. So there may be news that filters out from that, and that is it for today. Taking a look at the daily chart, you can see we have now broken up above the little bit of a bear flag. We're gapping up. I think this is all because of NVIDIA's earnings. Yesterday, we had basically a doji candle. We're below the 20-day moving average on barely average, just barely below average volume. Not a lot to say here. If we get going to the upside, you're back into this chop section here. Probably top side about 77.62. If we come back down into here, that high volume node right there is certainly a magnet, 76.85. Taking a look at the inventory, you can see that we had basically a flat day on slightly lower inventory, not significant. Call it a scratch, not worry about it. So moving on, take a look at the overnight action, approximately 34 points. That is above the long-term average, but below what I'd consider the short-term stuff. So volatility is still here. Where do we have support and resistance? So resistance on the top side, overnight high, 77.41, 77.52, 77.60, 77.65, 77.77. On the bottom side, where do we have support? Just below the overnight low, 77.06. Of course, the 7,600 whole number, 76.91. There's been a lot of going on right around 76.80, so ish. 77.70, 76.77. Low from yesterday, 76.70. Stock Trader's Almanac for today. 90.5% chance the market will be up today. August 3rd to last trading day, it has been up 19 years in a row. So that's kind of crazy. 90.5% chance the market will be up today from the Stock Trader's Almanac. There you have it. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. And we'll see you tomorrow. Remember to subscribe and like. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.